Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with another try on haul video. Now as you can see, I partnered with my baes over at Hot Miami Styles. So you already know this is about to be a lit try on haul. You already know it's going to be super sexy, super fun, super flirty, and oh so body conscious for you dolls to get into. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so as you can see, I'm wearing a two-piece biker short set. Now, I picked this set because I wanted something comfortable that I can wear in between the seasons as far as the change of weather. I do adore this because I like how comfortable the top is with the zip up top and then the sleeves, and I really do like this color. Now the shorts did fit kind of short, but all in all, I do appreciate it. I think I can see myself rocking this set with some sneakers, of course, with some cute long socks, or even I can do something like some thigh-high boots. Okay, next is this two-piece set, and y'all, I really love this set. First of all, it's really like a great feel on, if that makes sense, meaning it's really stretchy, it's ribbed, and it's really thick, so it's not see-through. I know you can see a little tag on the side, but I usually cut that out. This color is really cute because you can't go wrong with the heather gray. But again, this is a really comfortable, it looks really small when you get it, but it really stretches well. I just hate that it's not an actual drawstring, but it's okay. The faux drawstring works and I love it. It's super comfortable and I think it's great to just throw on. Okay, now this particular dress, I just adore. You know, it's something about dresses that you can just throw on that can still give you that support without having to wear a bra or have to tape yourself up. So I like this skirt because on the back it has that ruching, which kind of makes your booty pop. And then I like the front because you can tie it really tight. That way you can have your girls sit up just right. And then the color is like a taupe color, kind of like lilac as well. So it really complements your skin tone and it's so cute. Okay, so this particular top, again, it's the fall time, okay? So you have to wear the flannels. Now, you can wear a regular bra as I am showing here. I just tucked in my straps, or you can wear a bra that is without straps. Either way, this shirt will still the show. I really do adore how it has these over-exaggerated sleeves, and it's just so cute, y'all. I would wear it just like this with some simple type of sandal heels. Regardless, it's a really warm top. I love that it's flannel. The only thing, it is a little prickly underneath, but I think you can maybe cut off the wires, which is what makes this shirt frilly like it does, because it does hold its structure, but it's really cute and different and I love it. Now this material is really similar to the two-piece gray two-piece set that you saw me just wear. So I love how it's really thick. I love how it's ribbed. It is not see-through. In fact, last year, this was all the crave, this type of material in a long dress. Also available at Hot Miami Styles. So if you look at my previous haul for Hot Miami Styles, you will see me rock the same color, the same dress that goes to your ankles. But same thing, I love this. It looks so good because it's a thong, so it's a bodysuit. It looks really good with any jeans, but you can also wear it for maybe some like a skirt, I'm thinking. Regardless, you can wear a regular bra, just tuck your bra straps in, or you can wear a bra without straps. Either way, I love this particular color and I think it's really flattering, and I'll put the sizing down below because it does stretch. Now I love me a good two-piece, y'all, and the reason for that is because I feel like I get my money's worth. So I love the details on this particular two-piece set. The buttons are black with gold detailing. The actual fabric is very stretchy, so you can go up a size or get your actual size. It will snap to you. I like getting it my size or a size up when it's stretchy so it's not too see-through. This will have your booty looking good, y'all. It will shape you. You will jiggle all over the place, but it's sexy. You can wear it, you know, with a tank top and like a plain duster or a jean jacket. You can wear it together, or you can even wear the top with some jeans. So again, I adore two pieces. As you can see there, I'm trying to get my twerk on, but y'all, I like it, so you should try it. All right, and this top probably looks familiar, but y'all, I am so into just easy breezy outfits, okay? So this particular top is the tan top in my last haul video. It's a bodysuit. It's so comfortable. It reminds me of like a Henley type of shirt because of it being long sleeved with a button down top detail, but the color is so flattering. The fabric is so soft. And here we have another dress. Now, I'm just really into showing, you know, some skin. You do have the option of tying this in the front. That's how it looks on this site. But I thought it was kind of cool how you can kind of tie it around your neck. So you can kind of give it a little bit of a different feel. Now, this color I am so in love with. This dark navy is so cute with the pink lip. You can rock it with a red lip. You can rock it with a nude lip or even a dark lip. So this is a really short dress. I got to throw that out there. So it's going to be a high mini dress, but it's super sexy. It holds you in. It's not see-through. And again, it has that versatility to it if you wanted to play with the straps. Okay, and again, much like the last one, again, this one also has versatility to it. So again, I just wanted to play with the strap and I have it around my neck. I love how it has the sleeves. These are actually like short sleeves, so they're not long. And the material is more stretchy and it comes down a little bit further to make it almost like a midi dress. So I like dresses like this that you can make it really tight on the front so you don't have to wear a bra, because just to be honest, I rather not wear a bra. So in this particular sense, I do twist, and I tried it in the back just to see what it looks like, but it's supposed to be worn just in the front tied, but you guys can kind of get creative and get your money's worth and kind of switch it up, but it does hold you in and I love it. I think it's flattering. Okay, dolls, so yes, that is it. I super adore this haul. Let me tell you, this is like my third or fourth time doing a haul for Hot Mommy Styles, and each and every time, like, I am so excited and impressed because they are so sexy. They are body conscious. They are perfect if it's your birthday, if you going out with bae, if you are, you know, on vacation, like just looking good for yourself with your girls, like whatever the case may be. I really do adore their styles, and their quality is actually quite nice. So I will put all my sizing details as well as the links to what I picked up in the box below. Of course, I'm gonna get my Diva Dolls a discount code. Find that as well in the box below. If you haven't seen my other videos for them, I will put a link to that as well. So you guys can get it all in the info box, as well as my measurements, so that you guys can kind of use that as a guide when you are shopping their website. And again, always look at the sizing guide to help. I hope you dolls loved this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also, which one was your favorite look? Leave me a comment down below. I want to know, which one did you like best? And if you are not already a part of this channel, if you're not a part of the crew, I need you to get on board. I need you to smash that subscribe button. And while you're at it, check the link down below. Add my vlog channel as well as my fitness channel, okay? If you aren't following me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. And if you have any questions about my hair, my makeup, my contacts, you can find it as well down below, or leave me a question or a video idea. I will get that recorded for you. Again, dolls, that is it. I want to thank you so much for tuning in and rocking with your girl. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.